So let's just jump right in. For the longest time, building your own trading bot, well, it felt like this super complex, super expensive dream, right? But what if I told you all of that is changing, like right now? We're going to look at how pretty much anyone, and I really mean anyone, can build a powerful AI trading bot. And the crazy part? You can do it with free tools and just simple English. This isn't science fiction, it's a revolution that's already underway.
Yeah, this is the core message right here, and it is a powerful one. I mean, think about it. The idea that you don't have to shell out hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars for some lockdown trading software. That's a massive shift. So you're probably asking, how is this even possible? Well, it all comes down to a complete change in how we think about building these tools in the first place.
This really lays it all out, doesn't it? The old way versus the new way. On one hand, you had the old school approach. It was like a walled garden. You were paying crazy fees for software, you had to learn these really niche, complex coding languages, and you were basically locked into their system. But the new way? It's the total opposite. We're talking free tools, open source stuff, a universal language like Python that everyone uses, and the real kicker? An AI that's basically your personal coder. You just tell it what to do in plain English.
Okay, so let's dig into that walled garden problem a little more. For the average person, someone who just wanted to get into algorithmic trading, the barriers were just sky high. And you kind of get the feeling they were high on purpose, right? These platforms, they built a system where you became dependent on them, and it was super hard and super expensive to get out.
I mean, just think about it for a second. First, you've got these subscription fees that could stop you right in your tracks. Then, even if you paid up, you had to learn a really specific language, something like MQL5 for MetaTrader or PineScript for TradingView. And the thing is, those skills, they don't really transfer anywhere else. It created this whole system that basically kept automated trading locked away for professionals or, really dedicated hobbyists who had tons of time and money to burn.
But here's the good news. We now have the tools to just completely tear down those walls. And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky futuristic tech we're talking about. This is a toolkit you can put together today, for free, on your own computer. So let's take a look at what you'll need.
All right, here's your whole setup. It's actually pretty simple. First up, you're going to grab VS Code. It's an awesome code editor from Microsoft, and it's totally free. Second, you'll be using Python, which is kind of the go-to language for data science and more for finance. Third, you hook it up to a global broker, say Interactive Brokers. And the great thing is they have a free demo mode so you can practice without risking a dime. And then, the final magical piece of the puzzle, an AI extension, something like Kilo. This thing is basically your AI copilot that does the heavy lifting, writing the code for you.
Okay, this is where it gets really, really cool. I mean, it's one thing for me to just talk about these tools, but it's something else entirely to see them actually work. So now we're going to walk through a real-world example, and you're going to see just how ridiculously fast you can go from a simple idea to a fully working trading bot.
So let's set the stage with a question. Let's say you've got a bot that's already trading Apple stock. What if you wanted to make a brand new one to trade, IBM stock? Do you think you could do it in under 2 minutes? Like, faster than it takes to brew a cup of coffee?
And check this out. This is the actual command. It's not some complicated line of code. It's just a normal sentence in plain English. You're literally just telling the AI what you want, almost like you're talking to a person.
So the second you hit enter, the AI isn't just making a wild guess. It actually goes in, reads the original file, the Applebot, and analyzes it. It figures out the structure, understands the logic, and knows exactly what needs to be changed to make it work for IBM. It's literally thinking and planning before it writes a single line of new code. And boom, there you have it. In about 2 minutes, the AI spits out a complete brand new Python file for the IBM bot. And get this, it's not just a simple copy-paste job. It intelligently replaced all the logic to focus on IBM instead of Apple. It even adds comments to the code to explain what it did. I mean, seriously, think about that. A task that might take a human programmer an hour, maybe more, done in just a couple of minutes.
All right, that was pretty impressive, right? But what if we push it even further? Cloning a bot is one thing, but can we completely change its entire trading strategy? Like rip out its brain and give it a new one, with just one more sentence? So here's the next prompt. The original bot was using a pretty basic strategy, a moving average with a filter. Now, we're telling the AI, nope, get rid of all that. We want to replace it with a totally different strategy using Bollinger Bands. And this is a big deal. It's not just finding and replacing a word. This is a complex rewrite of the bot's core logic.
And the result? It works perfectly.
The AI just rewrites the essential code, plugs in the new Bollinger Band calculations, and it's done. The source shows this new bot running flawlessly just moments later. This is the real game changer. It's the ability to have an idea, test it, change it, and try something new, all at the speed you can think.
So you can see this is way more than just a neat trick, right? What we're looking at here is a fundamental shift in who gets to play in the world of algorithmic trading. It changes everything about how strategies are created and even shared. Let's talk about what this really means, the bigger picture.
What this AI is really doing is acting like a universal translator for code. For example, it can take code written in MQL5, that's the language that only works on the MetaTrader platform, and just instantly rewrite it as a Python bot that can run anywhere. It can do the same thing with PineScript from TradingView, or really any other trading language out there.
And honestly, that is the killer app. Think about it. If you can take any strategy, any indicator, any expert advisor from one of these closed-off platforms and instantly translate it into open-source Python, well, that walled garden doesn't have any walls anymore, does it? The whole reason those platforms were so dominant, that lock-in effect, it just gets shattered. You're not trapped anymore.
But what's the one thing that makes this whole revolution actually possible for everyone? It really comes down to the money. There's a huge disruption happening with the cost of AI. You have these really powerful AI models from the West, sure, but now there are large language models coming out of China that can do this kind of coding work just as well, for a tiny, tiny fraction of the cost.
Just let this number sink in for a second, 5%. We're talking about getting access to AI models that are maybe 90% as good as the absolute best of the best for 5% of the price. That insane drop in cost is what makes this whole thing not just possible, but truly accessible to pretty much anyone, anywhere in the world.
All right, so let's wrap this up. What are the big takeaways here? First, you don't need to be a coder anymore to build a trading bot. You just need to have a good idea and be able to describe it. Second, all the tools you need to get started, they're basically free. Third, AI is your universal translator, tearing down the walls between different trading platforms. And finally, when you put it all together, this is creating a massive, massive disruption for the whole high-cost trading software market.
So, I'll just leave you with this one last thought. For decades, right, the keys to the algorithmic trading kingdom were held by a very small group of people. Well, now, that door has been kicked wide open. So the question is, when anyone with a good idea can build, test, and run a sophisticated trading bot just by talking to a computer, what happens next?